Hello, I'm Albert Stoniger. Let me tell you something about service learning at Chain Lakes Collegiate High School. I'm here in downtown Winter Haven with Stephanie Gurr, member of the service learning group Cadre. Stephanie, who's who when it comes to Cadre?
Cadre was founded by Bridget Fetter, our principal, and sponsored by Miss Mercado, a member of our faculty.
Stephanie, how are you involved in service learning?
I'm in Miss Mercado's sociology class, and we're working on various service learning projects, as well as in the group Cadre. I'm a head member of the project Loving Luggage.
Tell me more about this loving luggage you mentioned.
We collect donated luggage and refurbish it and then give it to foster children around our community so they can take it when they move from home to home.
I'm here with Katie Jones, also a member of the service learning group Cadre. Katie, how does Cadre meet the community's needs?
Well, Albert, one need in the community that Cadre is trying to address is the need for better test-taking preparation. And one way we're trying to fulfill this need is by tutoring elementary students from the local school that's underprivileged. We're teaching them basic reading and math skills in order to pass the state standardized test.
Besides Cadre, how was service learning implemented in other areas at Chain Lakes Collegiate High School?
Well, our sponsor, Ms. Mercado, is able to integrate service learning curriculum within all of her high school classes. But because she teaches at the college as well, she can engage those students in service learning. In her sociology class, for example, instead of taking a final, they're asked to participate in a service learning project within their communities.
I also heard that Ms. Mercado teaches a service learning class all about service learning. Is that true?
Yes, it is true, and it's fantastic.
I'm on the Polk State College campus with Brooke Towns, student of Ms. Mercado's service learning class. Brooke, how has the service learning class helped you academically?
Well, taking Ms. Mercado's service learning class helped me academically because it helped motivate me to better my education so that I could better the lives of those I was serving.
Awesome. I'm here with Jerry Breithaupt. Tell me, Jerry, about Penny Harvest.
Well, this year's Penny Harvest, we decided to distribute bags to each of the teachers, and they would have their students donate to a charitable cause.
So where are all these pennies going?
Well, at the end of the Penny Harvest season, we decided to have a philanthropic roundtable to choose which charities we would donate to.
And what charities are you donating to?
Well, the charity I'm backing right now is Faceless International, which their cause is to help fight human trafficking and let people know about what's going on in the world and how we can stop it.
Legitimate. I'm here with Ms. Mercado, main lady of service learning at Collegiate High School. Ms. Mercado, what are all those codes doing in the office?
Well, the coats were collected by one of our students that died in a car accident, and they are being picked up by Charity Pickup, and the proceeds will be donated to the American Red Cross of Mid-Florida.
And what about all these books in your classroom?
The books are being sent to Better World Books as part of Invisible Children's Schools for Schools program, and the money will be used to rebuild the infrastructure in Uganda.
Awesome. And what about service learning in the classroom? How do you do that?
One of the ways in the English classes is through advocacy research. The students all chose a project this year and researched it for about a month and then presented it to the class and wrote a 5 or 6 page paper. In history classes, both Ms. Sullivan, the other history teacher, and myself, we are working on the Veterans History Project, whereby students interview a veteran and post it to the National Library of Congress website. In a college class called Service Learning and Civic Engagement, we piloted a new class where students worked on intensive semester-long service projects while reading a variety of articles designed to get them to talk and think about leadership and associating and giving and service.
Thank you. As you can see, Chain Lakes Collegiate High School is excellent when it comes to service learning, especially in the extracurricular group, Cadre, as well as in the various ways service learning is applied in the classroom. Thanks for watching.